In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on suggestion strip. If your Gboard doesn't have that strip at the top with all of those functions, you need to go into Devices Settings. Then scroll all the way down and click on Additional Settings. Now select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Following that, just click on Text Correction and click on this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip if it's disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!